Ngesikhathi igasela izikhulu zomnyango kule ndawo yokudlela iMarket Bin, kubonakala izisebenzi zicasha ezinye zibaleka. Isisebenzi esisodwa okukholakala ukuthi saseZimbabwe esikuleli ngokungemthetho ebesicashe ophahleni lwesakhiwo belungiswa sikhalelwe ngamasongo kaSigonyela.
The main reason for the employees to run is must have that they don't have the legal documents to work in our country, and as well maybe they don't even want to talk to us as a Department of Labour in terms of the compliance for the employer with the employer.
Selokhu kuqale lo mkhankaso ngempela sonto edlule kutholakala ukuthi izisebenzi ziholelwa imali engaphansi kwale yeholo eligunyaziwe.
If a waiter can only depend on tips and most likely around 1,000 rand, that is bad. And that's what we with the two restaurants that we've even today we've inspected. One which is Market Bin here in mainland, they are earning around 1,000, 1.2. That is average. And then also Bao, the same thing. They depend on tips, and there's no compliance to national minimum wage. And that is because of the environment that they're working on, and that there's nothing that speaks to their rights and also to what we are able to do as a Department of Labour.
Umnyango wezisebenzi uthi ukhathazekile ngezenzo zokuxhashazwa kwezisebenzi ezindaweni zokusebenza kanti abaphathi bezitolo abenza lokhu bazobhekana nengalo yomthetho.